Yo YouTube, what's going on? Today I will show you this HoloFlash app. It is basically, guys, a projector on your phone and you can project your screen. So guys, basically when I press on the start, boom, as you can see on the wall, it started projecting my screen. So yeah guys, you can go ahead and watch a movie if you want, you can go ahead and watch YouTube. Basically guys, it is really awesome and will really help you use your phone. Just make sure guys you're in the dark room. So let's go now guys. So guys, this right here is the screen recording of my phone, my iPhone 7 Plus, but guys, this works again for any kind of Android or iOS you have. So yeah guys, as you can see, it's real app. So let's go ahead and start the video how you can get HoloFlash and Projector app on your phone. So guys, the first thing we need to do is to prepare a mobile device for the installation of the HoloFlash. So guys, if you're iOS, head over to the settings. If you're Android guys, you need to prepare a mobile device at all. You can skip guys to the part where you can get HoloFlash from. So guys, if you're iOS, head over to the general, then go to the background app refresh. And in the background app refresh guys, just make sure that it is turned on for Wi-Fi and mobile data. Okay guys, once we did that, we need to do one more thing, so just follow me. So head over guys to the battery settings. And in the battery settings guys, just make sure that the low power mode is turned off. You will know guys when it's on, because the battery color will be yellow. Just make sure it is off. Okay guys, yeah, now we successfully prepare a mobile device for the installation of the HoloFlash. Actually guys, I forgot, you need to do one more thing in settings. So head over guys to the App Store, and then you need to make sure that the automatic download is turned off. I almost forgot that, make sure it is off. Now guys, we successfully prepare a mobile device for the installation of the HoloFlash. All you got to do now guys is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There guys will be the rest of the tutorial where I show you where you can get HoloFlash from and Projector app. I guess unfortunately can't show you that in this video because the developers of this app don't want videos like this. They actually want you to pay them, and I'm showing you this for free, so that's why they will ban this video. So just head over to the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.